What I wish I knew before starting this zero-waste journey, it's deliciously easy. Good morning, sustainable foodies. Today's breakfast is a warm and comforting apple cinnamon porridge. Just cook 1 cup of oats with water or milk, stir in a diced apple and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let it simmer until those apples are tender and your kitchen smells amazing. For lunch, we've got veggie wraps. Spread some hummus or pesto on a whole wheat wrap, pile on those leftover veggies, roll it up and slice it. Easy, right? Dinner is all about using every bit of those veggies. Grab any leftover vegetables and stir-fry them in a hot pan. Add a splash of Henderson's relish and mix in cooked rice or noodles. Stir until everything's heated through and serve. There you have it. Zero-waste meals that are as kind to your taste buds as they are to the planet. Stay tuned for more eco-friendly recipes. And don't forget to check out our other videos, like turn on notifications and subscribe. It really helps the channel and I appreciate it more than you realize.